Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, when you try to use search address control, or you can say address input or address control also in Power Apps, you get this message many times. Address results cannot be shown. To show them, enable full map or and address service to the admin center. So this is what we are going to go through in this video, that how to enable full map and address service in the admin center. So this has to be done in Power Platform Admin Center. There you have to go, then you have to select the environment, then you have to click on settings. Okay, you will come to this screen. So here under product, you have need to break product, you have features. So if you break features, you will get map and address service. Here we need to uh, toggle this full feature box and then click on OK. You will get a terms and service. You need to agree and click enable and then save it at the bottom of this page, and that's it. Then you can use it, guys. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.